Hey YouTube, back to another tutorial. Today we will learn how to on a Facebook dark mode. It's totally easy. First of all, you have to go on Play Store and download this Facebook. And make sure to have your own account for dark mode. Make account, login, and just click on Facebook and on your account. I'm clicking a Facebook, open it. You will see a such type of interface. You have nothing to do. You just click on the side three buttons where my profile is showing. Click on it. Come next, scroll it, and there is an option, third option. So you will see setting and privacy. Click on it and you will see such type of options: setting, device request, mobile center, find Wi-Fi, and you will see also a dark mode of your Facebook. Just click on it and you will see three another options. Number one is on your dark mode. Number one, off your dark mode. You can change on to off and off to on as you wish. And number third one is use system settings. It means they will adjust your appearance based on your device system setting. Okay, you have to click on button and just on your Facebook dark mode. Then you will see such type of interface. Your Facebook dark mode will be on, and you will easily see write and buttons, and you will easily read and write post and etc. Thank you so much. If you like this video, make sure to leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe, tag schooling, and click on bell icon button for more informative videos. Thank you so much.